Okay, we're going to do our osmosis lab. So for what we will need for this lab is an egg, your wax pencil, 3 beakers, distilled water, light or clear Karo syrup, sugar syrup, and then vinegar. So our first step is to label each beaker, 1 syrup, 1 vinegar, and the other water. Okay, we have 200 milliliters of vinegar. We're going to place our egg inside. Oh, right to the top. I'll have to drain a little out, but you want to make sure it covers the egg. We're going to let it set for 24 hours. Do not refrigerate. Okay, we're on day 2. Here is the egg after it's sat for 24 hours in the vinegar. It's kind of funny because when I first put it in, it would sink to the bottom. And now it's floating on the top. All the little bubbles look kind of gross. So we're going to take the egg out and measure what's left of the vinegar. And then in our syrup, we'll measure 200 milliliters of the Karo syrup and leave our egg in that for 24 hours. Okay, here's the egg out of the vinegar. I'm going to put it in the syrup now. Starkey thinks it's food. Okay, here is our egg after 24 hours in the syrup. It's very soft. And I also noticed on the bottom here, it's flat. It's kind of weird. Here, let me try to show you. See? It's not busted open. And it's very soft. So I'm going to take it out of the syrup and put it in the water. Okay, I have the egg in the water. You can kind of see it, the distilled water, 200 milliliters distilled water. You can kind of see it's not just a dip now. The whole shell is so soft, it just crinkles wherever it has any pressure put on it. So we'll leave it to sit in here. You can see it's all dipped in. We'll leave it to sit in here for 24 hours. And then here is the syrup. And it's quite wiggly, or more liquidy than it was when I poured it in there originally. Where's the measurement? There you go. That shows how much is in there. There it goes. Okay, well, we'll wait 24 hours. Okay, so it's been 24 hours since it's been sitting in the distilled water. You can tell it's very firm. Very firm. So I'm going to take the egg out and then measure the amount of water, and then we'll be all done with the lab. Okay, here's the egg. Looks kind of cool. And it absorbed 50 milliliters of the distilled water. So that was a pretty cool lab. Here's the egg. We'll throw this away. Bye.